Hi, in this video we are going to create a chatbot to query CSV files on your local computer. This is my test machine and I launch VS Code. The current working directory is C LLAMA index, and inside which I created a folder called data. You can see here that I created a folder called data. You can see the same folder in VS Code. Data. I'm going to explain the code later, but first take a look at the data folder. Okay, this is a data folder and I have two CSV files. I'm going to open the CSV file. And I have server name, IP address, location, application running, owner, and operating system. The second CSV file, I have the same, but I have only few servers. So what our goal is here, at the end, we are going to query these CSV file, and also we are going to compare these two CSV files. I will explain the code later, but now let us run the code and see how it works. Welcome to a chatbot. Type exit to quit. Okay. I'm going to ask a question about the CSV file. How in CSV file? How many servers in CSV file? There are 12 servers in CSV files. Here you can see there are 11. And here one more. Okay, 12. This is the 12th server. The next question is, Bob manages how many servers, and give all the details in CSV format. And a question mark. The AI gives an answer. Bob manages 2 servers, and here are the details. Server 2 and server 11 Bob manages. Let's go and take a look at in the CSV file. Server 2 and server 11 Bob manages, and the 2 servers details, the IP address and location information and the OS information are given in CSV format. Give me common servers among 2 CSV files. I want to compare those 2 CSV files and then give me the common servers among them. Okay, server 1 and server 11 are common in both CSV files. Let's go and take a look. You can see here server 11 and server 1 in this CSV file, and server 1 and 11 are common among the both CSV files. We now go to this VS Code and type exit. Type exit to exit the chat. Now I'm going to explain the code. The LLAMA index is the module, and then the vector store index and simple directory reader is a class. Same, this one is a class, and then open a class. Load.env is to load the environmental variable for the API keys. And this one I'm using the module OpenAPI module GPT 3.5 Turbo. This is a function which reads the data directory. You can see here that I have a data directory. That directory, I'm reading it using that data simple directory reader function. The vector store index is a key component for managing and querying documents. The vector index retriever it is responsible for retrieving the most relevant document. It retrieves the top most similar document. In our case, we have only 2 documents. If you have about hundreds of documents, it will retrieve the top most similar document. The retrieve query engine responds to the queries by retrieving relevant documents. This step for the conversation handler, and handle underscore conversation is the function. I'm initializing the context to null and then print welcome to a chatbot, type exit to quit. So there is a while loop. It will continue. It is an infinite loop until the user types exit. This is a query. I'm getting the user input from this query, and \n is nothing but the next line character, and then this is where I'm getting the AI response from the query engine, and then printing the response supplied by the AI. This is a simple print, this line, and then finally I'm updating the conversation. I'm adding the string concatenation. This is the entry point for the script. If the name equal to main, this means we are executing the Python file and then execute the function. And finally, I'm going to run one more time. There are 12 servers. You can use this technique to query your PDF file and document file. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.